NUWE stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is Nuwellis in stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1 minute video. I am the only guy in this space that's done over 43,000 videos. No one else has come even close, and by the way, I've documented everything. It's all on my YouTube channel. You can watch every single one of those videos. I've seen what's printing and what's not, and again, it's all documented. After a crazy pump up as such, just going to mark it down to the previous lows. It still kind of fails to break with a full candle close from this supply. I mean, I'm not even just trying to hate, I'm just being real. Like, if there is a double break, then sell side it is, you know what I mean? I'm just saying, like, from what I've seen happening beforehand, because many have walked this path before you. Obviously not financial advice, but I'm just being like totally realistic. When would I be bullish? Well, two things. If it breaks above 24 or there's a big catalyst. I'll keep you updated both. If you want to stay tuned to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.